The weirdest machines ever built explained. What if some of the strangest machines on Earth weren't from science fiction, but were actually solving real-world problems every day? Engineers have created machines that look so bizarre, you might wonder who thought of them in the first place. But behind every strange shape, oversized wheel, or robotic movement is a practical purpose. These incredible machines are designed to work where ordinary equipment simply can't. Let's explore some of the weirdest machines ever built. First, there's the walking excavator. Unlike traditional excavators that move on tracks, this machine uses hydraulic legs that can independently lift and position themselves. The result is a giant mechanical creature capable of climbing steep mountainsides, crossing streams, and operating on terrain that would be impossible for normal construction equipment. Watching one move feels less like construction and more like watching a giant robot navigate through the wilderness. Another unusual machine is the Rotary Snowplow train. At the front of this train is a massive spinning wheel equipped with blades. Instead of pushing snow to the side like a conventional plow, it cuts directly into deep snowdrifts and throws the snow far away from the tracks. In regions where snowfall can bury entire rail lines, these machines are often the only way to restore transportation routes. When it comes to sheer size, few machines can compete with the bucket wheel excavator. These gigantic mining machines feature enormous rotating wheels fitted with buckets that continuously scoop up earth and rock. Some are among the largest land vehicles ever constructed and can move thousands of tons of material every hour. Standing next to one is like standing beside a moving industrial city. Then there are trenching machines. At first glance, they resemble oversized chainsaws mounted on heavy equipment. Their purpose is to cut long, narrow trenches for pipelines, cables, and drainage systems. Instead of digging in sections like an excavator, trenchers create smooth, continuous cuts through soil and even solid rock, making them incredibly efficient for large infrastructure projects. Some machines are built to work where land and water meet. Amphibious excavators are equipped with large floating pontoons that allow them to operate in swamps, wetlands, marshes, and shallow lakes. While most construction vehicles would sink almost immediately, these machines float while performing excavation, dredging, and environmental restoration work. They look unusual because they're essentially part excavator and part boat. Another engineering marvel is the tunnel boring machine. These enormous machines are used to carve tunnels through mountains and beneath cities. At the front is a massive rotating cutter head capable of grinding through rock and soil. As the machine advances, it simultaneously installs tunnel walls behind it. The entire process happens underground, creating highways, railway systems, and utility tunnels that millions of people eventually use without ever seeing the machine responsible. Forestry has its own collection of unusual equipment. Modern tree harvesters can grab a tree, cut it down, remove the branches, and process the trunk in seconds. Tasks that once required multiple workers and several different tools can now be completed by a single machine operator. Their mechanical arms move with surprising precision, making them look almost alive. Mining operations often rely on another giant machine known as the Dragline Excavator. These machines use enormous booms and suspended buckets attached to heavy cables. Instead of digging directly beneath themselves, they drag massive buckets across the ground to remove huge quantities of earth. Some draglines are so large that moving them from one location to another becomes a major engineering project in itself. Perhaps the most fascinating category includes custom-built machines designed for highly specialized jobs. Whether it's machinery that climbs cliffs, vehicles that work in extreme temperatures, or equipment built specifically for unique mining conditions, engineers constantly push the limits of design. These machines may appear strange, but every unusual feature serves a purpose. That's what makes them so fascinating. The weirdest machines in the world aren't strange because engineers wanted them to look unusual. They're strange because the challenges they solve are extraordinary. When traditional equipment reaches its limits, innovation takes over, resulting in machines that look like they belong in a science fiction movie. From walking excavators and floating diggers to giant mining monsters and snow-cutting trains, these incredible creations prove that sometimes the most effective solutions are also the most unusual. Which of these machines do you think is the craziest? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing engineering and technology stories.